Today we're going to be looking at how to read a pie chart with divisions. A pie chart can show the same information as a bar graph or a line graph. It's just using a different way. The information from the line graph goes into the pie chart, and the number of people matches the divisions that you see around the circle. So, how many chose orange? You can have a look at the number of people on the graph and then add that into the 7 sections on the pie chart. You can then repeat that. So with the apple, you can see that it's 5. So you would add in 5. And then you would repeat for banana and pear. This time we have a pie chart that is already complete. So the first thing you do when you would look at it is you would look at the title, see what it's about, and then you would look at how many divisions it's got throughout the circle. So this one has 10 divisions. So there are 10 parts, so that's a tenth, 10% per person. So you can see that this band has 3 people like it, or 30%, 1 person, 10%, and so on for the mops and Tanya.